cars.
You play with cars?
Yes, you play... No, I play with cars.
He plays with cars.
I read. I love the library.
Fascinating.
We go to the library too, don't we, Bridget?
Yes. It's great.
Good. I live here.
You live in a museum full of old things.
Old things. Yes, I have lots of old things. I live in a museum. Okay, I live in a museum.
Thank you, Hector. And now we'll show you the flat. This is the bedroom.
Thank you. Where do you sleep?
No, you don't understand. We only have one bedroom.
One? I have 20.
20? Yes. He lives in a museum with 20 bedrooms. Oh, very funny. 20 bedrooms. Well, you can sleep here.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, no, Hector. It's a bed.
A bed? Oh, wow. Hey.
Oh. Here's a cushion.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, this, of course, is the TV. Just relax. I must go to the bathroom. Psst, Annie, bathroom. Now.
Oh, my goodness. What are we going to do? He plays with toy cars.
He is not a sexy Argentinian. But he is sweet.
And he is polite. But those clothes.
Oh, he is so old-fashioned.
He must go.
It's not here. Room service.
Hello, who are you?
Oh, you are quick. Good.
Hey?
My luggage is downstairs.
What?
Bring it up, please.
What are you doing?
I pull, you come. You are the butler.
The butler? I am Nick. I live next door.
I am Hector.
Oh, Hector from Argentina.
Yes, from Argentina.
Where are the girls?
Girls?
Yeah, Bridget and Annie.
Oh, they live here.
Yeah, I know. Where's Bridget? Does she know you are here?
Bridget, she gave me this.
Oh.
Hello, Nick. Oh, this is Hector from Argentina.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't he wonderful?
Wonderful.
Are you hungry?
Huh?
We'll buy your lunch. What would you like to eat? Fish and chips?
Oh, fish and chips.
Nick, Hector make friends?
Nick, teach Hector some English.
Yeah, okay. I'll teach Hector some English.